I'm a Mac.
And I'm a PC.
See that kid over there?
What? Where?
Over there. He really needs someone to invest in his life. Maybe you could take an hour out of your week to read to him. Or take him out to lunch.
An hour? I don't know. That seems like a lot of time to give up.
Well, don't think of it as an hour you're giving up. Think of it as investing.
Investing time into someone? I'm sorry. My time is very precious to me. And besides, the People's Court is on at noon.
Okay, well, how about if you volunteered at the community kitchen? And then you could have conversations with real people.
You mean face-to-face conversations? No. You know, maybe I could email them or text or IM or something, but face-to-face, that's too scary, no.
Okay, how about this? You could pray for someone every week and then tell them that you're praying for them.
I don't think you've been listening to me. That would involve both time and talking to someone. No, I don't think this is